Thank you, Steve. It's afternoon here in Wales, so I will say Prynhawn da, good afternoon, everyone. Prior to COVID, I was privileged to visit multiple schools to have conversations about pedagogy and professional learning within the context of our new curriculum for Wales. Most conversations quickly moved to how can we support teachers in schools to engage in activity that would lead to the mindset shift that is needed for our purpose-driven curriculum. Our conversations often considered how the style of professional learning, professional development we had come to expect needed to change. What experiences do teachers need to empower them to have the confidence and agency to shape the learning and the curriculum within their own local context? How do we build positive, productive experiences that will allow teachers to flourish? The slide captures some of the thinking that needs to be considered. Despite the challenges of COVID, we have seen activity in many of these areas that has moved us forward in our thinking and practice. Teachers have talked about having the time and space to think collaboratively, problem solve together, and network. However, also how quickly this can potentially disappear again, unless we think differently and creatively, as some have started to do. Teachers have also talked about how they have been able to engage in activity with colleagues from other schools and also knowledgeable others that they wouldn't normally have access to, and how this has built confidence as they realize that their voice is being heard and is as important as others. Teachers have also talked about the opportunity to engage with a range of activities and input covering different aspects of pedagogy rather than being funneled in certain directions because of perceived pressures. Perhaps one of the biggest barriers to helping teachers flourish that remains across the system is the uncertainty regarding accountability and qualifications. Yes, you might say that it is the tail wagging the dog, but as Stephen Covey has always said, begin with the end in mind. To help teachers flourish, there needs to be a clear messaging regarding this. Is it really going to be different to how it has been? Are the qualifications going to reflect the purpose-driven curriculum? There are lots of teachers who need this messaging to come off the fence and give them the confidence to think differently and take risks. Perhaps most of all, to help us flourish, we need the resilience and innovation we have exhibited during COVID and use this to keep us moving forward together as a country to realise our new curriculum for Wales.